Hey Highlanders, how are you? It's your good friend, Wes Gardner, head of technology support and help desk. We have a really cool video for you today. Our good friend, Arthur Wilson, we know him, we love him, has shown us some cool Windows 10 tips and tricks. Now, a few of these I use religiously, and a few of them, I'll be fair to admit, I've never seen in my life, which is kind of amazing because I'm around computers all day. But these are going to be really helpful, just really cool cheat sheet type things that you can do. Speed up your workflow, get that stuff done quicker. Yeah, there's quite a few things I think you're going to be surprised with, especially keep an ear out for the virtual desktop. I think you're going to like it. Arthur, take it away.
First thing we are going to go over is a Windows search feature. It's the magnifying icon at the bottom of your screen in the white square. You can just click in there and just start typing, or shortcut is you can just hit the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing. You just type in what you are looking for, and Windows searches your files, settings, and web to bring you the best results that matches your search. So for this example, we are looking for a document called Windows 7 to 10. If we don't know the whole document name, but we know it's a document, we can click on documents to narrow our search. I'm not going to bore you guys with the regular keyboard shortcuts like copy and paste, but I do want to show you guys how to access clipboard history. So hit Windows and V, access clipboard history. So hit Windows and V and click the turn on button. Now you have access to your history of what you copied. At the bottom of the window is your taskbar. You can pin programs to your taskbar. Simply right click it and select pin to taskbar option in the context menu that appears. You can also do this to program icons when it appears in your taskbar after opening it. Now that we have pinned our most favorite programs to the taskbar, we are now ready to take advantage of the awesomeness known as the jump list. Whenever you have a pop-up list of your most recently files for that program or shortcuts to common tasks, it's a great way to jump right back into a project without needing to slough through folders and subfolders in Windows files to explore. You can pin frequently visited websites to your jump list by right-clicking the browser of your choice and clicking on the pin. Launching taskbar shortcuts with keyboard shortcuts. Open Pacific Programs pin to your taskbar by pressing the Windows key simultaneously with a number associated with where the program is located to the right of the start menu. So for this example, it'll be Word. So that'll be Windows and 7 for us. To do snapping windows, you can hit the Windows key in the left or right. It's going to split screen windows. You can hit the Windows key in the left or right. It's going to split screen with the program that you have open, and it's also going to pull up any other programs you have open if you want to split the other screen with that. If not, just click in the blank area. Now that we have it split screen, hit Windows and up or down to get into Quandaries. Quandaries is the new snap view mode that pins apps to the 4 quarters of the screen. Next, we're going to go over shaking windows, not because we're frustrated with it, but because we have like 5 or 10 programs open and we just want to focus on the one. So you want to left click and hold on to the top bar and move your mouse back and forth like you're shaking it. Everything will minimize except for what you're working on. If you have some sensitive information up and need to minimize everything, press Windows and D and it takes you to the desktop. If you press Windows and D again, it brings everything back. So you have a student come in and you are working on grades or a work project and you don't want them to mess up your workflow. By pressing Windows Control and D creates a new virtual desktop so you can help them and be able to access your programs and files without messing up what you was working on before. To get back to your workflow, press Windows Control left or right to switch between virtual desktops. To close current virtual desktop, hit Windows, Control, and F4. Control and F4. Now we need to look at one of our other programs that are open. A quick shortcut to cycle through open programs is hold Alt and Tab. While you are still holding Alt, hit the Tab to cycle through open programs. Release to select. To get a more 50-foot view of what we are working on and what's open, we can use Windows Timeline by pressing Windows and Tab. Here shows us which programs are open, what we have searched for, and we can also create new desktops in virtual desktops. We can also close virtual desktops. Next, we're going to go over screen printing. There's 3 different ways of doing this. The first one is quick screen print. You're going to hold the Windows plus print screen. It takes a quick snapshot of all your monitors and saves it in your pictures in the screenshot folder. The next one is specific screen print. So if you have 2 monitors, you want to click on the screen you want to capture and press Windows Alt and screen print. You will also want to click enable gaming features for this to work. If you click on screenshot saved, it takes you to your captured screenshot, which is located in pictures in the screenshot folder. The last one is selection screen print. You want to hit Windows Shift and S, hold the left click button and drag it across the selected area you want and release. Click on the pop-up that says snippet save to clipboard. If that is the selection you want, click on the disk icon to save it and click save. This last section I'm going over is mainly to make Windows more readable or look nicer. So to open up a magnifying glass, you want to hit the Windows key and plus. If you hold Windows and keep hitting plus, it'll just make it bigger. Or if you hold Windows and keep hitting the minus, it makes it smaller. Or you can just hit the buttons. So if we wanted to make the font bigger permanently, what we would do is we would hit our Windows key to go to the search function, and then we will type in ease of access display settings. Yep, see how it just popped up there? You want to click on that. To make everything bigger, just adjust the slide once you have it where you like it. Now everything is bigger, as you can see, but I'm going to put everything back like it was. So next thing I'm going to do is put everything off in dark mode. So if you want to right click on your desktop and select display settings, and in the search bar at the top, we're going to type in dark mode. Click on turn on dark mode system wide, and then where it says choose your default app mode, click dark. So this is how your file explorer looks in dark mode. And since I'm giving out shortcuts to open up a file explorer is Windows. On your left, we have a quick access, which basically shows you your files that you recently opened. And then if you click on this PC, it shows you, your documents and files and also your map drives. If you're coming from Windows 8, you know all about live tiles, the interaction and the updated icons used to display information like weather, news, and more. Luckily, they are now all contained within the start menu. You can resize the start menu, making it so that it only takes up a small corner of your screen or as large as the entire desktop, just drag from the corner. If you're coming from Windows 7, not only are live tiles new, but they may not be all that useful. Luckily, it's a simple process not only to remove them, but to slim up the start menus so it more closely resembles the start menus so it more closely resembles the view you're used to. To do that, simply right-click any live tile and select Unpin from Start.
Yeah. No, yeah, Arthur, it's Wes. So you hit the Windows button and then the number and then the icon pop. That's crazy. Oh, I'll call you back. So hope you found some cool stuff that you like on these. Like I said, like the menu stuff, the windows, the numbers, the virtual desktops, all sorts of cool things. Hopefully you see something that you can use or show your friends, just really impress people. Become the tech guru for your family and friends by doing some of these. And if you like this, please let us know. We definitely want to make some more. Windows 10 has a lot of great features that a lot of people don't know about, yours truly included. So please definitely let us know at helpdesk@mclennan.edu or shoot us an email, go on our website, fill out the forms. You know where to find us. We're always here for you. So from your friends in the Information Systems and Services Department, I'm Wes Gardner. That was Arthur Wilson, and those are some Windows 10 technology